Let's take a look at the student's academic experience. In particular, let's look at how Adjunct play an important role in the student's academic life. Adjunct interact with students inside and outside the classroom, providing support throughout their program. Students' academic life has various components. When a student begins, they generally develop a 4-year plan as a traditional undergraduate, or as a non-traditional student, their course plan has already been predetermined. Each semester, they have a set of courses that they plan to take. Each of these courses work together to provide an entire student learning experience. This learning experience has certain expectations, and these are called learning outcomes. Program learning outcomes are the expectations of students by the time they graduate. These expectations can be broken down in each course through the course learning outcomes, which are steps along the way to achieve the overall goal. Each of these steps is identified as a course that is introducing, building upon, or expecting mastery of the program learning outcomes. Let's look at a first term of courses for a student. As you can see, each course is identified with a professor and a set of course learning outcomes. And within each of those course learning outcomes, there's alignment to the program learning outcomes. And for this example, we have identified whether that has been introduced, built upon, or expected mastery. In Course 1, we have 4 learning outcomes for the course, 2 of which align with first PLO, 1 with PLO 2, and 1 with PLO 4. This course is taught by a full-time professor. Course 2 has 4 outcomes, 1 that aligns with PLO 1, 2 that align with PLO 2, and those build, and 1 that aligns with PLO 3. This course is taught by an adjunct professor. In Course 3, there's 5 learning outcomes, 2 that align with PLO 1, 1 that aligns with PLO 3, and 2 that align with PLO 4. This course is also taught by a full-time professor. Students in the traditional undergraduate program have a lot of time and interaction with their full-time professors. Students have the ability to go to professors' office hours and interact with them in those capacities as well. It's sometimes easy to forget and lose the professors who are also playing a key role in the student's learning experience, the adjunct. But this should not happen. Adjuncts need to remember that they are a key component, and what they're teaching in their courses introduces, builds upon, or perhaps even has students mastering a learning outcome. They need to be able to see their course as part of the larger puzzle. Additionally, full-time faculty need to recognize that adjunct professors provide this valuable experience and call upon them to help with their assessment components. They have an understanding of student achievement just as much as the full-time professors do. So all faculty are part of the student experience and all contribute to their learning. Many students, especially in the adult studies program, don't understand that there's adjuncts and not necessarily full-time professors for them to interact with. And so it is important for you to understand, if you are an adjunct, that you are a key part of a student's learning experience and that they're looking to you to help them learn.